Hello, my name is Jamie from Crewe SEAT and CUPRA Crewe, and today I'll be taking you around this used vehicle.
We are delighted to be able to offer you this lovely Fiat 500 Lounge. This vehicle comes with a 1.2 litre petrol engine and features the 5-speed manual transmission. This particular model is finished in this gorgeous coral paintwork and comes with around 20,258 miles on the clock. Into the boot we can see that there is enough room for one small suitcase, enough room for some weekly shopping, and the rear seats are fully foldable should you require any more space. At the rear of the vehicle we can take a look at the gorgeous classic Fiat 500 lights, along with the chrome detailing there on the boot lid as well as the lower part of the bumper. We can also see the sporty looking singular exhaust tailpipe. This vehicle sits on these gorgeous 15-inch alloy wheels, which really do complement the overall aesthetic of the vehicle. And at the front of the vehicle now we can see the stylish headlights along with the stylish fog lights there. The vehicle does also feature some stylish chrome detailing along with a sporty looking front bumper. Into the rear of the vehicle now and we can see the really stylish tartan pattern rear seats. These do come equipped with ISOFIX points should you need to use them, and there is room for 2 passengers. Into the front of the vehicle now and we can see the gorgeous dashboard on display, which matches the exterior colour of the vehicle. We also have the gorgeous front seats, which do benefit from leather at the upper part, and they do come equipped with the 500 badging. The vehicle does also come with the stunning fixed glass roof, a perfect feature for the warmer summer months of the year. Here we can see the leather multifunctional steering wheel, giving access to some of the car's features from the comfort of your driving position, allowing you to do things such as adjust the volume of the sound system, and we also have the analog dials. Here we can see the car's really simple to use climate control system there, alongside the really stylishly finished leather gear shifter and the electric window switches. The vehicle does benefit from 2 cup holders and additional connectivity of a USB port and aux port.
For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, call us on 01270 864 430 or inquire online now.